This is a room tour of room 619, which is a Deluxe King at Hard Rock Hotel in Sacramento at Fire Mountain. Now, bearing in mind this is probably the flattest area we've been in. I'm not quite sure what the Fire Mountain relates to, if I'm honest with you. But anyway, the room is suitably sort of hard rockish, very modern, some decent artwork and stuff, and a little quirky mirror, which I'll show you in a sec. So you've got a walk-in shower there, very modern bathroom, and your toilet here is in frosted glass. And then going into the bedroom, some nice wallpaper there, suitably hip. And then this, I like this. This is basically, you can measure your height here, and then it shows you which singers are basically your own height. So I'm somewhere between Santana, Jerry Garcia, Taylor Swift, and John Fogerty and Jimi Hendrix. Slightly shorter than MC Hammer and Elvis Presley. But when you look at down here, actually, I didn't realise that Paul Simon's only 5'3", and Angus Young 5'2". I knew he was short, but I didn't realise that short. Ariana Grande 5 foot. Wow, so pretty cool. Big telly there, and then you've got a coffee making facility with decent mug size as well, which makes a difference, you know, when you're doing that. A couple of bottles of water. You've got a fridge and safe down there. Writing area here. Bed looks great. And look at that. Even the sheets have a guitar on them. That's pretty cool, isn't it? That's really cool. I like that. And then a settee there. You got all your plug-in points and everything here as well. And you've got 4 plugs down there too, actually. Now, as I said, it's very flat here. I don't know why in my head, because it was at Fire Mountain, I sort of assumed there would be a mountain. I was completely wrong. So that is the view from my room. So around here, you've got the entrance and what have you. I'll do a walkthrough of this place from the outside. There's a cool sort of neon outside, as you would expect. And then down below me, you get a look at the pool. It's only small. And that's basically it. So pretty small, but yeah, people are enjoying it. So yeah, basically this cost me, it was around about $220, I think, for a midweek night. Now I have no status here, but I did status match in Atlantic City. So I'm rock royalty, but I have already prepaid this room, so I'm not sure whether I will qualify for anything, but I will ask the question when I go down to the casino and see if I can get it comped. But I guess because I've already paid for it up front, I very much doubt they'll refund that. So it is what it is, really. But yes, I like this room very much. So I will see you in the regular vlog. Let's hope we have a winning night here at Hard Rock. Speak to you soon.